Zodiac, one of the biggest names in the military world. We're going to spend a little bit of time with Mark Krasinski, who is the international marketing manager for the Zodiac products.
Yes I am.
You've got some cool things. I see Mars up on the other side of this. What's that all about?
Actually, Zodiac Parachute and Protections, we're three companies. We're Pioneer Aerospace, we're Aerosure, and we're Pisa. And we make troop chutes, cargo chutes, and personnel chutes for the military. But one of our most interesting chutes isn't here on Earth anymore. It's up in Mars. And this is the largest supersonic parachute ever built. This thing actually landed a 2,000-pound payload on Mars back in August. And this is actually the fourth parachute that Pioneers had the privilege of building and putting on Mars. This parachute's 55 feet in diameter. In this testing, we tested this at a load of 82,000 pounds in order to prove that the parachute would work in the surface of Mars. Surface of Mars, or the atmosphere of Mars, saw about 35,000 pounds of load. So it's the largest supersonic parachute ever built. It actually deployed at Mach 1.75. So it is.
That's a hell of an opening shock.
Exactly, largest supersonic parachute ever built. And this is it being tested in the NASA wind tunnel. It's about 265 feet long, weighs about 125 pounds. And the interesting thing is we have to pack it very tight. It's about the size of a beer keg, and it's hard as oak. And we send it to NASA, and it doesn't open for about another 2 years. So it has to stay in that packed condition, and then when it's needed, it has to work, and of course it did, so we're pretty proud of that success. So that's why we're highlighting it this year at the symposium.
Outstanding. Well, I know you've got a lot of things going on for the military. What are, a lot of our viewers are military people in different parts of the country that couldn't attend the show here. If there was a message that you wanted to share with those folks about what's happening at Zodiac or Pioneer Aerospace, tell me.
The main thing with the parachutes, the military, we have a lot of different parachute systems to offer. We have the ones that can handle 350 pounds. We go up to the 500 pounds. We can go up to the 800 pounds. We have several different systems. We have the drogue systems, the tandem systems, the tether systems. So we can handle whichever version you need. So there's a lot of opportunities out there, and it's one-stop shop, and you can just come to Zodiac Parachute and Protection, and we'll take care of your needs.
Right. And so if people want to know more, where do they need to go?
They can go to zodiacaerospace.com.
zodiacaerospace.com. Mark, it's always a pleasure to speak with you.
Good speaking with you again, too. We'll see you.
We'll see you guys down the aisle.